40 frases en inglés que podés usar en una conversación.
I'll bet this is your. You look familiar. I'd like to introduce you to. Haven't we met somewhere before? It's a pleasure to meet you. How's everything? What have you been up to? How's it going? Not much. Just call me. Hi, my name is. We should keep in touch. How nice to meet you. I could show you around. See you later. Allow me to introduce myself. Nice to meet you. I'd like you to meet. No need to be so formal. Glad to meet you. See you around. Good morning. Who's that? Everyone calls me. Please call me. Good evening. It's a pleasure to meet you. See you tomorrow. Good to meet you. How are you? Good afternoon. Fine, thanks. Great. Not bad. So. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Good night. Take care. How is your day going?